My ideal sake is a sake that I want to drink with food. I want to drink with friends. I want to drink on an everyday basis. So there won't be one sake like that. That's the goal, and that's the complexity and the pleasure of sake. There's many different kind of sake on the market for every occasion. That's my ideal of sake. I want a sparkling sake for festivity, for celebrating life with friends, with family, going to a cocktail. There's some Ginjo sake with elegance, purity for aperitif, with sashimi, white fish would be great. And there's Junmai with more body, more flesh, that would be great with cheese, even with a very rich French cuisine complex would be amazing. And then there's some Koshu aged sake will be fabulous with very aged cheese, and not young cheese, very aged hard cheese like mimolette, and even with dessert mixing maple and soya. So this is sake for me. That's the ideal of sake. It's the signature, the complexity of the variety of sake.